Good morning, student. I am Alok Brave from Abuja Public School. Today I brought another video on Chapter 6, Rural Development video number 2. It is video number 2, my dear student. So in this video, we will study about the agriculture marketing system. Problem faced by the farmers in agriculture marketing, right? Measures or steps, or you can say suggestion to improve marketing system we will study. Then we will study emerging alternative marketing organization and then diversification of agriculture activity. These topics we will study, right? See, at first, now agriculture marketing system. Agriculture marketing system, it is a process which involves assembling. First step, assembling, storage, processing, transportation, packaging, grading and distribution of agriculture product in an economy or you can say country, right? So it involves how many steps? Assembling first, storage second, processing third, transportation fourth, packaging fifth, grading sixth, and last is seventh one is distribution. Distribution of agriculture product in an economy or country. So this is the agriculture marketing system. This is agriculture marketing system. So in this, so it involves 7 huge process. Assembling means collecting goods. We are assembling, or you can say uniting some product, right? Storage means warehouses facilities. Processing means there will you process, right? When initially they were in the shape of raw material, then we have to process. We have to clean it, right? We have to finish them into the final product. Transportation means we have to transport goods from one place to another place. Then packaging. Packaging means we have to pack them. Safe packing requires. Then grading. Grading means we have to give them grading A, B, C class. Right? C and distribution. Distribution means, my dear student, distributing these goods to the various part of the country. So this is known as, my dear, agriculture marketing process. So now this process is not very complicated, very simple, but there are still some problems faced by the people. What are those problems? Right, farmers, peasants, manipulation by big traders. Right, how do they manipulate the farmers? They manipulate the farmers by, giving them low price. So that is the most important problem faced by the farmers. That is called manipulation by big traders. Then lack of market information. Farmers do not have proper market information, that what is the rate or what is the MSP decided by the government for the farmers. Then we have another thing, lack of storage facilities. Lack of storage facilities means, right, we don't have enough amount of, store warehouses, cold storage, right? That is the another problem. You have heard in the news that goods, wheat is lying outside the FCI, Ford Corporation India godown. It was destroyed by the rain. So that is the problem. We should have proper storage facilities, right, or cold storage facilities. So these are the main three important problems faced by the farmers, right? Then measures to improve marketing system. Now how can we improve the marketing system? Establishment, first point, we will go to the first point. Establishment of regulated market. It means we should establish such type of market in which, my dear student, we should have, some members of trade union of farmers associations and some member of government officials and some, you can say executive or some member of legislature committee. Right, we should have. Right, we should try to establish those markets which are regulated by the government and the farmers together. So it will enable the farmer to get the proper price of their crop. So this is very, very important aspect of measures to improve the marketing system. Then development of infrastructure. Then infrastructure should be developed. Infrastructure should be developed. Right, in the villages there should be roads. In the villages there should be proper layout of the roads, and my dear student, that is most important, because development of road will help the farmers to transfer the goods at rapid rate to the other parts of the countries where those goods are required, or in the mandis also, or in the direct they can supply to the MNCs or national companies. Right. Then cooperative market system should be developed. Right. So this is another important system in which cooperative marketing should be developed. So this cooperative marketing will help the farmer to get the best price. Right. It will help. It will fix the price for the farmer, and but these cooperative societies were established by the government. They received setback. They received setback because these cooperative marketing were failed. The aim of cooperative marketing is to realize fair price for farmers' product. Under this, marketing societies are formed by farmers to sell the output collectively and to take advantage of collective bargaining. But my dear student, this system was failed. This was not enhanced, increased. This system was not increased where it was required to increase. Now we are once again approaching this to increase this cooperative marketing system so that farmer can do the collective bargaining and they can sell the product collectively to the purchasers. Right. See, then the last point is different policy instrument. Different policy instrument. Under this policy, under this part, we will study about the three main things. Number first, MSP, minimum support price, right? Maintenance of buffer stock, and the last is public distribution system. Three things are parts of this public distribution system. Number first, MSP, right? Maintenance of buffer stock. Lastly, public distribution system. Public distribution system. These three steps are very important to develop in different policy instruments. So my dear student, minimum support price, you know very well about the minimum support price. Minimum support price should be, fixed by the government, and then government should also maintain the buffer stock. If the government will maintain the buffer stock, this stock will help in the emergency to the public and to the people of citizen. So that is the main thing. Even at the time of war, this buffer stock will help the army to get the food properly, proper diet. Right. Then the last step is public distribution system. This system was developed by the government. That is called rationing. Right. People should also get the you can say raw goods through the PDS system, that is called ration shop, or you can say we can call them saste galle ke anaj ki dukanein. It is another term used for these PDS system. This PDS system should be developed in every part of the country and make from this side, from this place, goods should be transferred to each and every poor citizen of the India, or you can say those people who are living below the poverty line. That is more important, right? That is most important. So poor people used to purchase goods from the PDS system or from the ration shop, or those people who are living below the poverty line or who are in SC/ST category or OBC category, they are purchasing. Then the next topic we are going to study about today, that is emergence of alternative marketing organization. Now these are of two kinds, right? These marketing system should be developed. Number first, now these systems should be developed by the farmers. First part was developed by the origin of farmer market. The origin of farmer market means the farmer should be free to sell the goods directly to the consumer, even national companies, or you can say MNCs. So under this system, it will give boost to the small farmers. It will give boost to the small farmer, and they were able to get the good price of their crops, and it will increase the collective bargaining of the farmers, right? For example, I can give here Apni Mandi in Punjab, we have, right, Haryana and Rajasthan, Hadsat Par Mandi to in Pune, Hadas Par Mandi in Pune, I beg your pardon. Next, you can say Raitu Bazaars in Andhra Pradesh, Ujwal Sandy's Farmer Market in Tamil Nadu, right? These are the some type of origin of farmers market. Here, farmer can sell the crops directly to the consumer, right? And the small farmers will able to get the good price of their crops. So then alliance with national and MNCs. Then next type of market we should have, that is called as alliance. Straight away farmers are selling product to the national and multinational corporations, like companies, you can say. So that is the another thing. They should do the agreement with the multinational and national companies so that they can get the good price of their crops. Then the next step is diversification of agriculture activities. Now reasons, that is most important, my dear student, step, diversification of agriculture activities. So diversification means, my dear student, this is very important term, right?